Welcome to the first episode of Weekly Tech. In the Weekly Tech episodes, you will find the latest information on electronic gadgets and other tech updates in India and around the world. If you're watching my channel for the first time, this is Jaya from Technoshi. Let's get started. We will start with the first update. The much-awaited festive sales have been announced by Flipkart and Amazon. The Flipkart Big Billion Sales starts from 3rd October and ends on 10th October. Amazon Great Indian Festival starts from 3rd October. It is a month-long sale and goes up to next 30 days. During the sales, they will offer discounts, cashback, exchange offers, EMI offers, and more on a range of gadgets and electronics. It's a great opportunity for all of us to save some money. So keep looking for the great offers from Flipkart and Amazon. This week, Realme has launched two 4G mobiles under low budget. Realme also launched Realme Band 2 and Realme Smart TV Neo. Realme Narzo 50A mobile priced at 11,499 rupees. It has 6.5-inch display, powered by MediaTek G85 processor, and comes with 6000 mAh battery. Supports 18-watt quick charging. This mobile has 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup at the back and 8 megapixel front camera. This mobile is available for sale from Flipkart. Realme Narzo 50i priced at 7,499 rupees, which is a low-end phone. It is a 4G mobile with Unisoc octa-core processor. It has 8 megapixel back camera and 5 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery and 6.5-inch display. Realme Band 2 monitors SpO2 levels and heart rate. It has 1.4-inch display, 12-day battery life, 50 plus personalized dial faces, and 90 sports modes with sleep quality analysis. Realme Smart TV Neo is a bezel-less 32-inch display and priced at 14,999 rupees. It is available for sale on October 3rd from Realme website, Flipkart, and other offline stores. Under Dizzo brand, Realme has launched Dizzo Buds Z TWS earbuds. Dizzo Buds Z comes with 10mm dynamic drivers and offer a dedicated gaming mode, where the latency can go down as low as 88 milliseconds and has 4.5 hours of playback time. These buds come with ENC, environmental noise cancellation, that reduces the surrounding noise during calls. They are priced at 1,999 rupees. But as a part of launch offer, they are priced at 1,299 rupees during the Big Billion Days from Flipkart. This week, Redmi has also launched two 4G mobiles below 10,000 rupees. Redmi 9 Active priced at 9,499 rupees. It has 6.5-inch HD Plus display, MediaTek Helio G35 processor, 13 megapixel primary camera, 5 megapixel selfie camera, and 5000 mAh battery. Redmi 9A priced at 6,999 rupees. It runs with MediaTek Helio G25 processor with 13 megapixel primary and 5 megapixel front AI cameras. You can purchase Redmi 9 Active and Redmi 9A mobiles from Amazon and MI India website. You know that Apple has launched 4 new mobiles under iPhone 13 series. The sales of this mobile started from 24th September. We can purchase these mobiles online from Apple India website, Flipkart, Amazon, and other offline stores. In the Microsoft launch event, which happened this week, Microsoft has launched the redesigned Surface Pro 8, Surface Duo 2, and a flagship laptop. Microsoft's Surface Duo 2 supports 5G networks and has a triple lens camera system. If you look at the upcoming launch of smartphones and electronic gadgets next week in India, we have iQOO Z5 5G launching in India on 27th September. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G will be unleashed on 28th September. Samsung Galaxy F42 5G will be released on 29th September. Vivo X70 series phones, X70, X70 Pro, and X70 Pro Plus are scheduled to launch on 30th September. Poco is all set to launch a C-series smartphone in India on 30th September. Maybe the successor of Poco C3, that is Poco C4 mobile. Realme is also planning to launch their first air purifier in India next week, which is already available in other countries. I hope you find some interesting updates in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off for now. Bye-bye.